The forested regions in South Africa are primarily found in the eastern parts of the country, along the coastal areas and in the mountainous regions. One significant forested area is the Knysna Forest, located in the Garden Route of the Western Cape Province. This forest is known for its indigenous trees, lush vegetation, and diverse wildlife. South Africa's forests are ecologically important and contribute to the country's biodiversity. In addition to the Knysna Forest, South Africa is home to other important forested areas such as the Tsitsikamma Forest, which is an ancient forest located along the Garden Route. These forests are rich in plant and animal species, some of which are unique to the region. South Africa's forests play a crucial role in maintaining the country's ecological balance. They provide habitat for various wildlife, including endangered species like the Knysna elephant and the Cape parrot. Additionally, these forests are vital for water conservation, helping to regulate water flow in rivers and streams. Efforts are being made to conserve and protect these forests, as they face threats from activities like logging, urbanization, and climate change. Conservation initiatives and national parks help safeguard the unique biodiversity of South Africa's forested regions. South Africa's forests are not only ecologically significant but also culturally important. Some indigenous communities have deep spiritual connections with these forests, considering them sacred sites. The forests have been a source of livelihood for many local people, providing resources like timber, medicinal plants, and food. One notable tree species found in these forests is the yellowwood tree, which is considered a national tree of South Africa and holds cultural significance. These trees can live for hundreds of years and are protected by law. South Africa's forested areas are also popular destinations for ecotourism and outdoor activities. Tourists and nature enthusiasts visit these regions to experience the beauty of the lush forests, explore hiking trails, and engage in birdwatching. Conservation organizations and the South African government work together to promote sustainable forestry practices and protect the unique biodiversity of these forests. Research and monitoring efforts continue to enhance our understanding of these ecosystems, aiding in their preservation for future generations. Certainly, in South Africa, the indigenous forests are incredibly diverse, hosting a wide variety of plant and animal species. Some of the plant species found in these forests are unique and not found anywhere else in the world. The forests are also home to elusive and endangered animals such as leopards, various species of monkeys, and rare bird species, making them important for wildlife conservation efforts. Apart from the natural biodiversity, these forests also have historical significance. Some archaeological sites within these forested areas provide insights into ancient human settlements and activities, shedding light on the country's rich cultural heritage. Furthermore, South Africa's forest ecosystems are vital for regulating the climate. They absorb carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, acting as carbon sinks and helping mitigate the effects of climate change. The preservation of these forests is essential for the global fight against climate change. Efforts to conserve these forests often involve collaboration with local communities, aiming to strike a balance between conservation and sustainable use of forest resources. This collaborative approach helps in preserving the forests while supporting the livelihoods of the people who depend on them. Certainly, South Africa's forest ecosystems are not limited to terrestrial environments. The country also boasts unique and diverse coastal and marine forests. Coastal forests, also known as dune or littoral forests, grow along the sandy shores of the coastline. These forests are adapted to withstand salt spray and strong winds, creating a distinct ecosystem with specialized plant and animal species. Additionally, South Korea has numerous smaller forests and green spaces scattered across the country, offering locals and tourists alike the opportunity to enjoy nature and outdoor activities. Please note that my information is up to date as of September 2021, and there might have been developments or changes since then. The preservation of these coastal and marine forests is crucial for maintaining the coastal ecosystem's biodiversity, supporting fisheries and protecting against coastal erosion. Conservation efforts in these areas often focus on sustainable fishing practices, monitoring water quality, and safeguarding delicate marine habitats. Certainly, South Africa's forests are also intertwined with the country's cultural heritage and folklore. Various indigenous communities have traditional beliefs and stories associated with the forests, often considering them sacred spaces inhabited by spirits or ancestral beings. These cultural connections highlight the deep respect and reverence. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.